You started your business to do quality work for all your clients, no matter the job. But if you want to grow your business, you have to find the right jobs. You need to find premium customers with jobs that pay well and match your team's skills, and make it easy to get paid on time. But taking the time to search for those jobs means diverting your resources from here to here. And this kind of work isn't why you got started in the first place. Our new platform, DMG Pro, makes it easier than ever to find and execute the premium jobs that will grow your business. We start by taking a full account of your company and everything you have to offer, no matter what kind of work you do. Then, we connect you to our brand new job board, matching you with the best jobs based on your location, price, and technician skill sets. Once you've completed a job, we made it easier than ever to upload photos, close out the work order, and get paid, so you can move on to the next job. DMG Pro frees your technicians to focus on what they do best, increasing utilization. And it frees you to accept more work and earn more money. It's time to grow your business with DMG Pro.